Okay, good morning guys. Today I'm gonna make walnut brittle, okay? 1/2 cup syrup, 1 cup water, and then 3 cups sugar, and then 2 cups walnut. And the syrup, the sugar. And then stir it. We're gonna stir para ma-mix siya pag-ayo. Palon, usa na to ilunod ang walnuts, okay? Nga murag matiker siya ba? Yan ra guys. Simple ra kaayo. So it's time to add the walnut. Okay, I'm gonna go on first. Okay guys, so now I'm going to put this one in the baking sheet. Siya pabugnaon hangtod nga mabugnaw gid siya maayo guys para ato siya ma-slice. Bugnaon guys, usa na to slice son, okay? So this is our walnut brittle, okay? Guys, so that's our walnut peanut brittle. It humok na siya, akuha na siya guys, uga na. So ato na siyang slice na to guys. Oh, see? It's yummy. Okay, guys. Okay. Ato gagmayan. Okay, guys. Okay. So, we can do like that. Oh. Guys. Yummy. This is it, our walnut brittle. Okay, I'm gonna taste this one. I just have a little one. Okay. It's yummy. Dili kay sa tamis kay tungod sa walnut. Guys, okay? So, this is our walnut brittle. Or we can use also peanut brittle, but this is walnut. Okay, walnut brittle. Okay? Thank you for watching. And please hit like, follow, share, subscribe to my YouTube channel, D Bruja. To my Instagram, D_Bro_Ja. And to my TikTok at The Cooking Show. And to my Facebook page, The Cooking Show. And to my personal blog, Delia Valentine. To all my supporters and non-supporters, thank you for watching.